Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is Top 30 MCQ on General Agriculture for IBPS AFO and other Agri competitive exams part 3. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. So friends, पहला question है Dash is the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Option B is correct, Thanjavur. Thanjavur is the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Thanjavur is the city known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu, and it is also an important agricultural center located in the Kaveri Delta. Here are some other facts. Rice bowl of South India is Andhra Pradesh. Rice bowl of India is Chhattisgarh. Rice bowl of West Bengal is Burdwan, which has been received the GI tag for Govindabhog rice. And rice bowl of world is Mekong Delta of Vietnam. Next question, question number 2. The optimum spacing for coconut palm in rain-fed area is option A is correct, 7.5 meter into 7.5 meter. In general, square system of planting with a spacing of 7.5 into 7.5 meter is recommended for coconut. This will accommodate 177 palms per hectare. However, spacing of 7.5 to 10 meter is also practiced in various coconut growing regions of the country. Next question, question number 3. Bacterial leaf blight in rice epidemic occurred in Bihar in the year, option B is correct, 1963. The bacterial leaf blight in rice epidemic occurred in Bihar in the year 1963. The bacterial leaf blight in rice appeared in an epiphytotic from in Shahabad district of Bihar in 1963 on variety BR34. Epiphytotic refers to a plant disease that tends to recur sporadically and to affect large number of susceptible plants. Next question, question number 4. Cryopreservation is a technique which is used for option A is correct, seed saving. Cryopreservation technique is used for seed saving. Cryopreservation is a process where cells, organelles, tissues or any other biological constructs susceptible to damage caused by unregulated chemical kinetics are preserved by cooling at very low temperature, where liquid nitrogen kept at minus 196 degrees Celsius. Cryopreservation is only the currently available long-term storage technique that ensures safe conservation of genetic resources of valuable plant species, mainly for seeds. Question number 5. Zinc containing mineral is option D is correct, sphalerite. The zinc containing mineral is sphalerite. Here are some minerals and their chief ores. The chief ore of boron is tourmaline. The chief ore of zinc is sphalerite. Chief ore of iron is franklinite. And chief ore of copper is malachite. Question number 6. Which among the following is considered to be best for plant growth? Option D is correct, loam. The best soil for most of the plants for optimum growth is a rich sandy loam. Loam is an even mixture of 3 main types of soil. If it is mixed with compost, richer the soil it will be. Depending on how compact your soil is, peat moss and sand is added. Next question, question number 7. Rate of milk feeding to cattle calf from birth to 3 weeks of age should be dash of calf's body weight. Option C is correct, 10%. The rate of milk feeding to cattle calf from birth to 3 weeks of age should be 10% of the calf body weight. 1 quarter of milk weighs 2 pounds. Calf should be completely weaned off milk at 8 to 9 weeks. Weaned off means to stop gradually. Question number 8. Kalipatti is a popular variety of, option A is correct, sapota. Kalipatti is a popular variety of sapota or chikku of Maharashtra, Gujarat and northern Karnataka. Fruits are oval shaped, lead seeded, with a sweet mellow flesh of excellent quality and mild flavor. Question number 9. The pH in soils can be raised by adding, option B is correct, lime. The pH of soils can be raised by incorporating limestone into the soil. Question number 10. The plant hormone that promote flowering in plants like pineapple is, option B is correct, auxin. The plant hormone that promote flowering in plants like pineapple is auxin. The role of auxin in plants: promote flowering in plants like pineapple, help to initiate rooting in stem cuttings, prevent the dropping of fruits and leaves too early, promote natural detachment, which is also called abscission, of older leaves and fruits, and control xylem differentiation and help in cell division. Next question, question number 11. Black heart in peanuts and internal brown spot in potatoes are due to the deficiency of, option B is correct, calcium. The black heart in peanuts and internal brown spot in potatoes are due to the deficiency of calcium. Due to calcium deficiency, darkened plumule or black heart in peanut seed is seen. Internal brown spot or rust spot, also known as internal flake. It is a physiological internal defect in which small brown spots due to cell death appear in the tuber. Next question, question number 12. Green leaf manuring through MPTs, that means multipurpose tree and shrubs, grown on field burns is done with dash tree. Option D is correct, Glidicidia tree. The green leaf manuring through MPTs, that means multipurpose tree and shrubs, grown on field burns is done with Glidicidia tree. Green leaf manuring can be done by pruning and collecting of green leaves and twigs from various trees, herbs and shrubs and applying them elsewhere as fertilizers. Next question, question number 13. Flame peeling is done for, option C is correct, onion. A flame peeler utilizes a conveyor belt to transport and rotate the material through a furnace heated to temperatures above 1000 degrees Celsius. Flame peeling is used mainly for peeling of onions. Next question, question number 14. What is the seed rate of true potato in nursery? Option B is correct, 100 to 150 grams per hectare. True potato seed is the actual botanical seed produced by the potato plant, found in tiny seed balls resembling tomatoes. It is occasionally found after the potato has finished flowering. Seed rate of true potato seed is 100 to 150 grams per hectare. For normal sowing, it requires 3000 to 3500 kg per hectare. Next question, question number 15. The material used for cutting blade of rotavator is, option D is correct, high carbon steel. A rotavator has a useful line of 24,000 hours, that means 8 years, with an annual use hour as 300. The blades of the rotavator are usually made up of high carbon steel, cast iron or mild steel because they are most important component on the rotavator. Next question, question number 16. Methyl eugenol is an attractant for, option B is correct, fruit fly. The methyl eugenol is an attractant for fruit fly. Methyl eugenol is used in insect traps and lure products to attract certain fruit flies such as the Orient fruit fly on the affected fruit crops. It is naturally occurring in many plants and essential oils and is a common flavoring ingredient added to foods, candy and gum. Next question, question number 17. The National Research Center for Orchids is located at which state of India? Option D is correct, Sikkim. The National Research Center for Orchids is located at the state of Sikkim. The National Research Center for Orchids was established on 5th October 1996 by the ICAR at Pakyong, Sikkim. Next question, question number 18. Which of the following is or are viral disease or diseases of cattle? Option A is correct, rinderpest. Rinderpest is an infectious disease of ruminants, especially cattle, caused by paramyxovirus. It is also characterized by fever, dysentery, and inflammation of the mucous membrane. Anthrax, tuberculosis are some serious bacterial illness. And ringworm is a highly contagious fungal infection. Next question, question number 19. Which of the following is a non-mineral nutrient? Option D is correct, carbon. Carbon is the non-mineral nutrient. The non-mineral nutrients are mainly hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. These nutrients are found in the air and water in a process called photosynthesis. Next question, question number 20. National Remote Sensing Agency is located at, option D is correct, Hyderabad. The National Remote Sensing Agency or NRSA, formerly the National Remote Sensing Center, is a central organization of the Government of India responsible for managing data from imaging satellite is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. It is one of the centers of the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. NRSA manages data from aerial and satellite sources. Next question, question number 21. Mention the cool season food legume crop. Option A is correct, chickpea. Chickpea is the cool season food legume crop. Rabi season crops are grown in winter season, also known as cool season food legumes. Example, chickpea, peas, lentil, etc. Chickpea is a major Rabi pulse in India. More than 40% of the total pulses area and production. Next question, question number 22. The standard for germination percentage or minimum percentage for certified seed of gram is, option C is correct, 85%. The percentage of germination required for certification is high in crops like maize, that is 90%, moderate in several crops like jowar, that is 80%, wheat 85%, rice 80%, grams 85%, etc. And relatively low in crops like cauliflower 65%, bhindi also 65%, carrot and chilies 60%. Next question, question number 23. Most common method for irrigation in India is, option C is correct, checked basin method. The most common method of irrigation in India is checked basin method. Question number 24. Which of the following soil pH level can termed as sweet soil? Option C is correct, pH 7.5. Alkaline soils also referred to as sweet soil. The pH level of the soil is above 7 and it is usually contains a great deal of sodium, calcium and magnesium. Because alkaline soil is less soluble than acidic or neutral soil, availability of nutrients is often limited. Next question, question number 25. Pruning in grapes is done in which time of the year at Maharashtra? Option C is correct, last week of November. The pruning in grapes is done during the last week of November in Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. During the second and third week of October in the interior northern district of Karnataka and in December in Tamil Nadu. Next question, question number 26. Contender is an important variety of, option A is correct, French bean. Contender is a variety of French bean. The plants are bushy and pink flowers. Pods are green, round, long and stringless. Tolerant to mosaic and powdery mildew. And yield is 20 tons per hectare. Next question, question number 27. Allor is a polymembranic variety of which fruit? Option C, mango. In mangoes, polymembrane is variety dependent. Chandrakaran, Allor, peach, Prior and Starch are polymembranic varieties. Polymembrane means Occurrence of more than embryo in a seed, which consequently results in the emergence of multiple seedlings. While mango varieties of commercial importance are monoembryonic. Next question, question number 28. What is the length of estrus cycle in goat? Option B is correct, 20 days. The length of estrus cycle in goat is 20 days. Here are the list of some animals with their length of estrus cycle. The length of estrus cycle of buffalo is 21 days. In case of goat, it is 20 days. In case of camel, it is 10 days. And in case of cattle, it is 21 days. Next question, question number 29. Second generation biofuels is produced from which of the following? Option A is correct. Waste biomass, wheat and corn waste. Second generation biofuels include waste biomass, wheat and corn waste, woody cellulose and lignin polymers, as well as various animal slurries and liquid wastes. First generation biofuels are produced from food crops containing sugar. Algae are utilized for biofuels production. Third generation biofuels are made from biochemical biomass, crops such as perennial grasses, artificial bacteria, enzymes, and living microalgae which are made in labs. And last question, question number 30 is, which disease occurs when more sorghum is consumed? Option C is correct, pellagra. The disease pellagra occurs when sorghum is consumed more. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.